90,000 followers, 69.1 million views, 65.5 million views, all from one Instagram page, posting plant growth videos. And before you think this is just a lucky niche, it is not. This content goes viral every single time it gets posted because it is visually satisfying, calming, and impossible to scroll past. Now watch what I just created with AI. In under 5 minutes, without wasting any extra time, let's get straight into the process. But before we start, make sure you have subscribed to the channel right now. First, head over to the description below and open the detailed prompt file. Copy the full prompt from start to finish. Do not miss any part of it and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Click enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you a list of plant names to choose from. Now, select your favorite one and enter its number, exactly like this. Click enter and ChatGPT will instantly provide you a fully detailed, ready to copy prompt for that specific plant growth video, including the audio design elements built right into it. Copy the full prompt and open Google Flow. Select the video option, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set your desired output timing to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt directly in and click generate. Wait just a few seconds and your plant growth video will be completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now have a look at another one I created using the exact same method. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.